I wanted to share with you all what Dada means to each and every one of us. So instead of sharing that, let us do a small visualization. Okay. We'll all close our eyes and imagine what Dada means to each and every one of us. Let us sit comfortably. Let us close our eyes. This visualization is through a very simple story. There was a very small girl. Imagine yourself to be a small girl. There was a very, very small girl. And as you know, when we are children, we are very fond of spending time with our friends. We get attached to them, we get close to them. And it was her best friend's birthday party. And she was invited for that party. She had made preparations for the entire week. She had made a new outfit for herself. She had bought a beautiful gift for her friend. And she was so excited that she would spend that entire day with her friend. But when she woke up in the morning, she found that the previous night, there was a snowstorm. And when she opened the window of her room, she saw that the entire road was covered with inches of snow. Her father had even forgotten to park the car in the garage. So even the car was covered with snow. This girl naturally is disappointed, for she's sure that now her parents will not allow her to leave the house. In spite of it, she gathers courage because she truly loves her friend. She goes to her father, she goes to her mother, and she says, "Can I go and attend the birthday party?" And the father once again opens the door of the house and shows her the condition of the road, of the parking lot. And he says, even if you choose to walk to her house, how risky it will be, how dangerous it will be. The girl had tears in her eyes. She runs into her room and she picks up a book and covers her face with the book, and she starts shedding tears. The father and the mother, they consult each other, they speak to each other, and then both of them go and knock at her door. And they tell her, yes, it's true, it's risky, it's dangerous, but because you truly love your friend, we will permit you to go to her. This girl, the small girl, she cannot believe what she has heard. Immediately, she rushes to her closet. She picks up her coat. She wears her mittens. She puts on her snow boots. She runs to the door. She thanks her parents, and then she runs, opens the door, and carefully, she starts taking every step. Sometimes she falters. Sometimes she's about to fall, but she tries to balance herself. Slowly, she walks until she reaches the house of her friend. And then, proud at her achievement, she turns back to see that how she could cross the entire road, the entire journey. She was so triumphant about it. But what does she see? She sees her father turning back. The father had followed her quietly to ensure her safety. And my dear ones, that is Dada to each and every one of us, wherever we are, whatever we are doing. Beloved Dada is all the time with each and every one of us. Vetho Nihare, Vetho Dase. He's there with each and every one of us. Always he's in the background, walking there, waiting for any opportunity to protect us, to keep us away from all harm. Not only does he walk behind us, sometimes we are not aware of it, but he walks before us and he clears our pathways. Sometimes he walks beside us and he holds our hand, though we cannot feel his soft, his astral touch. And this has been my experience throughout the journey of these 60 years. With each and every breath, with each and every step that I have taken, he has always, always, always been with me. And this is the prayer of my heart, that Dada, however I am, filled with faults and failings, with weaknesses and imperfections, always be with me, always be with me. Nearer, my Dada, to thee, nearer, my Dada, to thee. My dear ones, I think let's close with this touching note that Dada is with all of us. All we have to do to be able to develop the power of silence, the power of gratitude, the power of appreciation, the power of prayer is just to tune into him. And he will guide us, he will lead us, and he will see that we reach the destination, that we reach the goal, which is he himself. And this is the blessing that I ask of each and every one of you. And really a sincere, a heartfelt, a heartwarming note of gratitude to each and every one of you, those of you who are in front of the scene, those of you who are behind the scenes, and to so many others whose thoughts and aspirations and good wishes and prayers are with us. May all of you be blessed with this quadruple gift by beloved Dada, and may we continue to grow and draw nearer, nearer, nearer to him. Dada Shah.